Welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to be working on my Worktunes. The earmuffs themselves are all destroyed, and it's been bothering me for a long time because as I'm using these to mow the lawn or doing anything that, it's loud, the sound is seeping through the sides of the earmuffs. So I decided just to go maybe buy a new pair of Worktunes. Well, these are still relatively expensive. I think I paid maybe $75, $80 for these. So rather than do that, I found online I can buy the replacement earmuffs for those. So I went ahead and ordered them, and I already looked at them once before on another pair, so I'm hoping that these are the exact same thing. Let's go ahead and open them up. And they are. So these are exactly the same ones that I'd gotten for another set of Worktunes. So all you're going to need to do on these is once you've ordered them, and I'll put a link down below, is you're going to need to take them out of the package, obviously. And in that package, it's also going to have a replacement felt to go in between the speaker and the muff itself. It's going to kind of lay like that. So very easy to replace. Just going to go ahead and you're just going to reach in there and you're going to pull them out just like that. And then there's the old one right there, the little felt piece. So you're going to get rid of that because there's the old muff right there. And you're going to take the new one, just take the felt. And I'm not sure if it matters which way it goes, so I think this side here looks like on the old one. Yeah, that's kind of how it looks like it goes. So you're just going to place that like that, and you're just going to push the new one on. Snap it in. There we go. So I got a brand new earmuff. So do the same thing on the other side. Pull the old one off. Pop the new one in. Snap it into place. There we go. Brand new. Brand new. So I didn't have to go and buy a brand new pair of Worktunes. So I think they were like 12 bucks. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I'll put a link down below. So now, oh yeah, a whole lot better. I can tell already because with these ones here, well, as you can see, the sound was getting through where it was all ripped. So. Well, there it is. Not a very exciting fix, but it's cheaper to buy the new earmuffs, and they're actually 3M too. It's right on the package. They're 3M earmuffs, so they're good quality, and I'm back in business. Well, hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one. Oh yeah.